Hello, today I'm in Jeep Compass. In this video I'll show you how to use voice assistant. In the beginning, let's take a look at the left side of the steering wheel. Right here we've got this panel. To use voice assistant, simply press this button. Then, on the screen display, you will see the available commands list. All commands are available in your car's manual. So let's press it and then take a look at the screen display. Tune to 97.7.
Say the list number of the station you would like to tune to.
Nova.
Please try again.
Nova. Tune to.
Say the list number of the station you would like to tune to.
Melo.
Say the list number of the station you would like to tune to.
1. And that's basically it. Of course, there are many more commands and you can control your car in many ways thanks to voice assistant. But basically, that's the process how to use it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.